Hello everyone, I'm back with another layout, Christmas layout. And this one, the background is Pink Fresh Studio December Days, called Christmas Lights. And pattern, of course, is going to be a pain in the rear. So I'm going to have to remove, I'm sorry, I hit my mic, remove him from my page. I'm going to use this green print from Crepe Paper's Fa La La, called Together. This one is Braxton. I'm going to copy the layout I did previous to this one, which was Bryson, The Visit with Santa, and this one is Braxton, The Visit with Santa. I'm going to copy scrap lift from my previous Coco. He laid there because my papers were there. I'm going to use this word print as my photo mat, which is American Crafts Sweater Weather called Warm Wishes, and then I used the wood grain print on the reverse side. I'm just trying to figure out what else to do. So I'm going to ink the edges and then commit to my layering. Alright. So, I'm just going to mark where I want to cut it. And I'm going to sneeze. Alright. My chair squeaky. I ran out of Patton's moist food, so he's mad at me. I gotta pick him up some. I didn't go out anywhere yesterday. In fact, I didn't even get dressed. I stayed in my pajamas. So I'm going to make a card out of this using my notebook punch. And I'm going to make it a place for journaling. And I'm going to use washi tape. The green and the silver stripes, the really thin washi tape come in one of the hip kits. And then the gold one, it was from my stash. So I'm going to use some embellishments. And I'm going to use the die cuts, which are a Hip Kit Club exclusive product. And then so the puffy stickers are Pinkbrush Studio December Days. Let's see. Mark my calendar. All right. So I'm just trying to figure out how to layer everything. And then this one I am going to use, I believe I use the same letter stickers as Bryson's. So Braxton's and with is Jelly Bean Soup, Mushroom Gray stickers, and Visit and Santa is Hip Kit Club's exclusive alphabet stickers. And so are the word phrase stickers as well. So I'm going to start committing to everything. Wish my computer cooperated last night. Could have gotten more of these done. going to do the word phrase stickers. Those just, I like to use word phrase stickers. Just, it helps to finish off an embellishment cluster area if it don't feel quite right. I'll put a phrase sticker on it and it helps. I think I was watching something on my phone. If this was in the morning, I was probably watching Smurfs on Amazon. Usually on the weekends, like a Saturday morning, I watched Smurfs on my phone and Scrapbook. And so now here's where I do my title. And these chili bean soup stickers did not want to stick. In fact, I gotta get my layouts in binders because some of the titles and stickers and stuff are coming off. Good boy, Patton. At least you're getting food.